Earlier, this phenomenon only occurred on 6 occasions since the telescope was invented, and that we'll be seeing it now for the first time in 122 years. And joining me now is Lance Kinnear, who is an astronomer. Now, Lance has been involved in studies on astronomy in South Africa since around 1967. He has lectured at the Johannesburg Planetarium since 1970 and is also a regular presenter on a formal and informal bush astronomy. He has Star Trek extensively across the globe following the night skies, and he joins us now. Lance, thank you very much for joining us this morning. Now, this thing is about to happen in just a few minutes' time, and everybody's around here is very excited. What can we expect?
You'll watch a very unusual event, because the movement of planets through in their orbits around the sun sometimes move between the Earth and the Sun, which is quite unusual, especially in the case of Venus. It only happens maybe once every century. So it's fun to watch. It moves across the Sun, and it'll be fun to watch.
Now, a lot of people tend to use the words astronomy and astrology kind of together. What is the difference?
Oh, quite a big difference, really. One is a science, and the other one is a beginning and a belief in that the stars and the planets affect one's lives. Difficult to talk about that one. Astronomy is easier.
Now, what does the planet represent in terms of astronomy? In terms of astronomy,
it's a very interesting planet. It's very similar in size to the Earth. It's called a sister planet to the Earth. It's very different from the Earth because it's completely cloudy. You cannot ever see the sky from the surface of Venus. And astronomically, it's quite an important planet because it is the closest planet to the Earth, and one which we feel could represent the Earth either in the past or the future in terms of the manner in which it's developed.
Now, and what we're going to see is going to be quite a little dot in front of the Sun. How far is Venus from the Sun?
Oh, it's quite a way, 108 million kilometers from the Sun and about 50-odd million kilometers from Earth.
So what should we be looking out for then?
Oh, you should be looking out for a little dot crawling across the face of the Sun, which is the fun part of it.
Lance, thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you very much.
Now, make sure